this is Shilpa here, light language healer and oracle and tarot card reader. So in this video we will be having an energy reading for the upcoming week to check what is the energy weather around. These energies you are going to encounter in the coming week if you have landed here in this video. Let's see what coming week holds for us. The theme for the week is flexible in the protection position, which means that there is resistance to be flexible. There are going to be situations or people around which will trigger you to be flexible, to be forgiving, to be understanding of the other's perspective, and you need to be really aware of this flexibility thing and resistance towards being flexible with the life and situations around. So let us see what is obstructing this flexibility energy this week. And it is round and round in the protection position again, which means that you are kind of you will be finding yourself in a situation or patterns which are repeating, but this time you will be like having a higher perspective of the situation, similar patterns but a newer perspective. All you need to do is hold back, get the perspective in space, be flexible, and then take the right decisions. Don't rush in taking any life major decisions this week. So let's just see what is the foundation for the week, and it is to be fair. So yes, the theme flexibility and the foundation to be fair. To be fair here is to be just. You need to be emotionally, mentally just with your own self first and with the people around. So you need to really reflect where in the coming week you are not being just with the situations or the people. There has to be equal give and take at all levels. Awesome. So let us see what lessons you have already learned which are going to be useful in this week. So the Faith. So this card tells us that we already understand that there are situations and there are going to be relationships or any personal professional situations which are not under our control. It is already fated, so it calls for surrenderance, it calls for the trust in the bigger picture, and you need to kind of let go the control over situations or the outcome which you are expecting. But so you need to put this understanding into action this week, which you already have understood through your previous life lessons. Now let us see what is the highest possibility this week holds for you, and it is a message in a bottle in the protection position. So this card tells that divine is always in communication with us. You are being supported from the other worlds, other realms, but you need to be aware of those communications. Somewhere your intuition is giving you the right guidance, but somewhere you are in denial mode. You need to be more aware and observant to the divine communications, because these communications are going to help you as a map towards your journey ahead. Now let us see what could be the possible outcome energetically this week that you're going to see, and it is the serendipity card in the reverse, which means that there are going to be situations which will not be according to what you expected them to be, but at the same time take the rejections or take any kind of obstructions on your path as a redirection from the divine. And again, as the Fate card said, surrender to the higher picture, trust in the force of life. Now we will see what are the helpful elements or the guidance from our guides so that we can flow through the week gracefully. And it is building block in reverse position, by the book in reverse position, community, and regeneration. Okay. So building block in the protection position calls your attention, as in where the foundation is brittle, where in your life you need to focus more on building the blocks, more on creating a healthy and just foundation. We had to be fair card in the foundation protection, and here while the things are you may feel that things are crumbling, but actually this crumbling is bringing you the opportunity to rebuild your castle with a fair, healthy and just foundation for everyone. Now I see you guys juggling a lot of emotionally and mentally, because there are situations which are calling you to take decisions by going out of the conventional norms. You are being pushed to not follow the rules and regulations or do something which is out of the traditional definition of the society. But take a chance, take a risk, ensure that whatever decisions you're taking is not harmful to yourself and others, and try to go as per your guidance, as per your intuition, and see where it leads up to. It may bring in something really beautiful in your life in the coming week. The next card is community. So sensing the energy weather of the week, there are turbulence, there are resistances, there are going to be situations which will call for your patience, surrenderance. Community card coming in tells us that you do not have to do it all alone. You can ask for help, reach out to people whom you can trust, who are your well-wishers and who can help you to surrender, who can help you to be just your own self and flow through the life effortlessly. Now the regeneration card in the reverse position again calls for you to rest, to release the resistances that are blocking you to move towards your highest destiny, which is again the communication with the divine and redirecting your fate towards your towards co-creating your destiny with the divine. So it's time for taking a nap, to rest, to regenerate. Maybe you need to really release some psychological beliefs around fundamental aspects of life or people around, and it is going to be challenging, but at the same time there are supports available to you. And I hope this reading helps you with the proper energetic map of the coming week, and may you flow through the week with grace and ease. Thank you for watching this video, and if you would like to book a personal reading, please write to me at shilpasakar@gmail.com. Stay blessed, stay protected.